Hey everybody, Life's Journey here. So we're going to get into this InReach 3 versus the InReach 2. But as I did that video, I was thinking about what are the three reasons really why I am upgrading. One is technology. I just think that, and as you'll see that I talk about the technology and behind it, to the 3 versus the 2. Ease of use, the touchscreen thing, you'll see that. And then 3, it's not so much of the product, but it's more about a peace of mind. And again, just having that in the back of your mind when you're out riding, whether it's by yourself or with someone else or a group, I have that sense of security that I know that I can reach somebody if I need to, if something bad happens and you don't have cell service and no way to contact somebody and you're in the back country area somewhere. So anyways, those are my 3 reasons, and hopefully you enjoy this, and let me know your thoughts, because what do you use, and let me know what your thoughts are about the InReach product from Garmin, okay? I wanted to talk about the InReach. This is a thing that I don't leave home without. So this is the Garmin InReach. Now this is the new Mini 3. This is the Pro version. And this is the Garmin Mini 2. So I know these are very popular. This one's going to be popular. It just was released in December. I'm kind of going to go through this and kind of give the differences between the two and cost. Obviously, this one's going to be a little bit more. And why did I choose to upgrade from the Mini 2? So, all right, let's get into the Mini 3 and kind of the upside on this one. So, you've got a touchscreen here, and I'll probably show some video here, but you got a touchscreen here. You can type in. It's got a passcode, all that stuff. So in case you lose it or whatever, nobody can use it. But it's got a passcode. But it also has a touchscreen, but it also has the arrow buttons on the side, so you can dive into that. So it is pretty nice because it's a 1.9 screen versus the InReach 2 is only a 0.9. So you're getting a lot more on the screen here for that. So again, touch and text buttons. Now the regular InReach Mini 3 is the same. This is the Pro version. So what's going to be different about this is I can send 1,600 characters over this one versus 160 characters, not only on the Mini 3, but on the Mini 2 as well. So that's one reason why I picked this one, is you could send more in a message. So this one also does photos and voice recording. So again, I thought that was a benefit. And realistically, between the Mini 3 and the Mini 3 Pro, which is right here, is $50. So you're already in the process of spending $450. So for $500, you're able to send photos and voice messages through your iPhone or through your Android. You can connect it to here, and then you can send everything right through the message app on this and send it out. So I think that's kind of a cool thing. So again, it's not much heavier. The regular InReach 2 here is 3.5 ounces, and this one is 4.4. So almost an ounce more on this one. It's really not going to make a difference here. And again, really, those are the big things, is that you can't scroll touchscreen. You can do it on the Mini 3 and the Mini 3 Pro and the buttons on the side. So that's a little bit of a different, and you have a much bigger screen, as you guys will see in the video. So again, now the InReach 2 is still around $350. You might be able to find it for $300. I've seen it like at Moto Camp Nerd and some other places that, have discounted this. But now this is going to be the new one. This came out just in December, so it's only about a month old. But yeah, so you're, again, it's going to be $450 for the regular 3 and $500. Again, for $50, I think it makes sense to upgrade. This way you can send longer text messages, photos if you need to, for whatever reason. I guess for $50 when you're already spending $450, what's another $50, to get a little bit more enhancements on this. And plus you can send voice as well. So, and then this has been a great one. Now, transferring wise, pretty simple stuff. It was relatively easy. All you did is go to the web page, you go to Garmin.com, you kind of log in, and then when you connect all this stuff up to your app on your phone, it was easy peasy. Deactivate one, activate this one. I will say that the on the Pro here, the cost is an extra $5. So if you had the old plan that was, I think, $25, now it's $30 a month. But still, I think, you know, having this as a key component to any adventure riding or just riding in general really comes in handy. And again, as much as I do off-road and I'm you know, sometimes not even close to a cell service, it's kind of nice to be able to have this kind of a device to do a little bit more with. So again, I thought this was kind of cool. Again, now also the difference here, antenna wise. Now I'm going to read this because I did take notes. So on the antenna, the Mini 3 Plus, which is this one, uses an Iridium messaging transport. So again, that technology allows you to have the 1600 characters versus the 160. And it just basically transfers the data faster. And if you've ever used one of these to message, sometimes it could take a little longer, right? So again, that's a little bit of the difference there between these two. So you're going to get basically a faster processor. You're going to get a better technology with this 3 Pro or the Plus. So that's again for $50. I think it's well worth the upgrade since you're already spending that much money. So if you're in the market, $350, maybe $300 to $350 on this one. This is going to cost you $500 if you want to go for the $451 model. But you know, it's up to you if you want to make that $150 investment to get the bigger screen, touch screen, voice, photos, that type of thing to be, you know, texting, all that stuff. So I don't know. For me, it was well worth this just because of the stuff that I do. So again, wanted you to be aware of this. This is kind of one of the key components that I do when I go out riding, adventure riding. So hopefully this helps. InReach 2 has been a great product. This is the new Mini InReach 3. This is the Plus. We're going to see how it goes, but I think this is going to be pretty awesome to work with just based on, again, the size and the functionalities of it. So, all right, folks, hopefully this was helpful. Talk to you later. Bye.